Right, what's hiding inside these little husks? It's not a tomato, oh no, it's a tomatillo. These things, sour, fresh, zingy, vibrant, they are just begging to be turned into salsa. That's today's veg hack, tomatillo salsa. So why tomatillos and not tomatoes? Well, quite simply because tomatillos are absolutely delicious. They've got that sharp kick in the teeth and the freshness and vibrance just goes through the salsa onto what you're eating, into your taste buds, into your stomach, and you're just a happy chappy. Right, so first step, thing to know is you need to try a little bit of the tomatillo just so you understand the beast that you're dealing with. What you need to do, take the husk off and you need to give them a good wash because they've got this sort of like oily film on them. I know we always harp on about things being great at the barbecue, but this really is, especially if you're using something like mackerel or sardines, which is slightly oily. Another delicious dish would be to char off a load of like aubergines, courgettes, and some red peppers, and then drizzle it with this salsa verde, and then you get like a smoky, sweet deliciousness. Ah, love it. Look at that, doesn't that look amazing already? Stunning. Red onion. In this recipe, we want the onion's body there, but we don't want it taking center stage. So we're just gonna dumb it down with a bit of lime juice. And also, what really helps is just add a nice little bit of brown sugar. Cool. And now we're gonna let that sit for about half an hour in the fridge. So, like all things, the recipe may say 2 chilies. If you don't like things that spicy, put 1 in, put half in, put none in. If you like things spicy and it says 2 chilies, add 2, add 3, add 4. It's up to you. So look at that, that is the making of deliciousness. Okay, so get it into the bowl. Oh, mate. Add our onions, coriander, smell that. Wow. Look at that. So now, to make a garlic paste. Garlic paste is great. If you can add this to sauces and dressing, you want the garlicky flavor, but you don't necessarily want like chunks of garlic. So you want to have a continuation of the garlic throughout the sauce, not just like big old boulders of garlic just to make you go like that. Get that in there. Oh, Christmas, look at that. It's delicious, but now you just need to balance it out. Add a bit of sugar, add a bit of lime juice. So obviously, you can use this straight away. Oh, Mexican salsa verde. It's unbelievable. Really need to give it a go. We love hearing from you. Any other vegetable you'd like to see us talk about, cook or prepare, then just let us know. And stay tuned for more veg hacks.